What letter?
Oh,
What's this?
it's a bottle.
What's the bottle made of?
Glass.
What's this called?
Oh,
What am I doing?
hat.
What's this made of?
Metal.
What's this made of?
Metal.
What is this?
It's a bottle.
What's this called?
Cork.
No.
Block.
What color?
Red.
What's this?
Plant.
What's this called?
Foil.
What's this called?
It's a bottle.
What's this made of?
Metal.
What's this made of?
Paper.
No, what's made of?
Glass.
Yeah, it's made of glass. Good boy. I wonder if he felt the paper. What's this?
Plant.
What's this?
Glass.
It's made of glass. What's this called?
It's a bottle.
What's this called?
Book.
Yes, book. That's right. Good boy. What's it made of?